Hi, this is Jeremy Yang with a short tutorial on using Tableau and the cricket data set. Here's my Tableau start screen. We can see I've got some workbooks, but I'm not going to open the workbook I've already done. Let's start from scratch. We want to open the CSV files which comprise the cricket data set. So we go to text file. Here are my ADS data files. Let's start by opening the match file, match data full. Tableau knows how to load a CSV file into a table. We can see that here. The match file has one row for every match, team 1, team 2, date, etc. Let's keep that in mind, one row per match. Now let's add the ball data. I've got it in my file list there, but this is another way to do it if you don't have it preloaded. The ball data full.csv gets loaded into this same workbook. And now we are asked to join the two data tables. If you're familiar with the concept of join from databases or not, it's the same concept, and we're trying to decide which fields are the same field and therefore can link these two data tables. And from the data dictionary, you know that there's something called a match ID. In the match file, that is called the ID. In the ball file, that's called the GID, I presume for game ID. When we specify those two, that enables Tableau to link these two tables, which is indicated by this nice little overlapping circle thing. So now we have more rows. We have one table, but we have more rows. We have multiple rows for each match, one for every ball row, which is associated with that match. And if we look across the table, we have columns not just from the match file, but from the ball file. This results in some redundancy, but it gives Tableau the ability to analyze across these files. If we then go to the worksheet, because that was the data source tab, if we go to the worksheet, we can now start to do some analytics and visualization. For example, if we're interested in wickets, we can take wicket type, drag it over to the y-axis of our sheet. We can then take number of records, drag that into the data area, and we can see a breakdown of wicket type and counts. And as we just clarified, and I corrected myself about on Piazza, wicket type 0 means there wasn't a wicket on that ball. The batter scored some runs, or at least didn't get out. So here's part of the solution to the assignment, and I hope a start to this analyzing wicket data, or rather cricket data, with Tableau.